friends, I'm going to explain you how to use PouchDB in our application, in our IONIC application. So first of all, how to install PouchDB in IONIC application. There are two ways we can install it, using npm or using bower. So I'm going to install it. Bower install PouchDB. So after installing it, we can see it in our lib folder. Here it is PouchDB. So I will place it in my index.html file. Here is PouchDB min.js, and the next step is to declare my database name. That is, I have used local variable, and this is my database name. So now if I want to see my PouchDB in my browser, so I have to add PouchDB inspector. As I am using Chrome, I have added it from here as an extension to Chrome. So now I can see it from here. This is my PouchDB and this is my database. Okay, so now what if I want to add user? So let's say it's Lakshita. Okay, I'm going to add it, and user is added. Now I want to see my user in my PouchDB, so I am going to my PouchDB and my database, and where is my user? Okay, so here it is with fname and contact number. Okay, so now how to implement this functionality, how to add the user in PouchDB. So here you can we all know that PouchDB only stores the JSON object. So I have created a JSON object called new user. I have added underscore ID field over here. This must be a unique identifier, so I have generated a unique ID using generate UUID function, and then I have pushed all my fields in this object, and I have simply I have used this PouchDB method put, and have simply passed this object over here, and it has added the entire object in my PouchDB. Now what if I want to show this user, to search this user from my PouchDB? So I am searching it, show user. So this data is retrieved from PouchDB. So now how I can retrieve my object, my data from PouchDB? So for that, let's see, show user. Here I have created an index because I want to search my object quickly. So I have created an index on fname field. So to create index, PouchDB, only PouchDB will not work. I have to install PouchDB find. So same as using bower, install PouchDB find. Okay, so after installing PouchDB find, we can see it in our lib folder. Here is PouchDB find. Again I am going to place it in my index.html file. So now it will allow me to create an index. So I have created an index on fname field. So it will search my entire object using fname field. So using find it function, we can see this function over here. I have just passed the name, whatever I want to search, and it will select the name using the fname field that I have created index on it, and it will search fname equals to whatever I have passed, and it will simply return me the object that we can see over here. Okay, now the index, the object of index we can see over here in our database. So let's see here, design index. We can see this is our index object, that is fname. It is created in object JSON object in ascending order on fname. So I'm going to update this user. So I'm going to tweet Dakshu from Dakshita, and let's say update user. So user updated. So now let's check it in our PouchDB. So okay, let me search it. Okay, so this is here. So it has updated my user's fname from Dakshita to Dakshu. So now let's see how to implement this functionality. So update user, we can see over here. Again I have created an index on my name field. To update my user, it will simply create an index on my name field. Let's see that created index over here in our PouchDB. You can see an index. Okay, so this has also created an JSON object of on field my name in ascending order. So after creating index, I have simply find my document. It will, as I have said, it will return me an object. So this is my object that I want to update. So I have again created a JSON object to put it in a database, but in updated format, updated with updated data. So here we can see first two fields, underscore id and underscore reb. Underscore id, as I have told, this will be a unique identifier, that means a unique value, and I will put it as it is, whatever it is in PouchDB. And this is underscore reb field. Reason, this field is compulsory to update any of object of PouchDB. Also I will put it as it is, that is in PouchDB, and all other fields I will update their value and simply put this object, this input method in PouchDB. So it will simply put the entire updated object, and in our PouchDB it will replace the old one and put the new one. Okay, so after seeing this functionality of updated user, I'm going to show you how to delete a user. So let's search my user, that is Dakshu. Let me show it. Okay, so it is retrieved from my PouchDB, and now I'm going to delete it. So I have just deleted. Okay, so let's see it in our PouchDB whether it is exist or deleted. So we can see here we had 3 documents. Now we can see here only 2 documents. So this is our index object of fname, and this is our another index object of mname. So we can see no any third object exists here. That means it has deleted that object from PouchDB. So now how to delete it? The functionality of delete, we can see over here, delete user. I have simply find that user using find to update method, and it has returned me a object, and I have simply passed this object in remove method. This is a method of PouchDB. So I have simply remove it from here, and it will remove the entire object. Okay, so this is what I have explained about how to add user, how to show user, how to update user, and how to delete user from PouchDB. So these were the basic operations in PouchDB. So thank you.